Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how do you use WeTransfer in 2022. So first of all, what is WeTransfer? WeTransfer is a online service that lets you send up to 2 gigabytes of data, like files, whatever, images, videos, music, anything really, without needing to spend money or even set up an account. This is all through email. So what you do is write WeTransfer and then just go ahead and click on WeTransfer.com. And as you can see here, it says WeTransfer is the simplest way to send your files around the world, and honestly, I agree. So what you need to do is obviously go ahead and click on send a file, upload any of the file that any file that you want to upload. I'll just go ahead and upload like a video, let's say, and then here you write anything that will appear as the subject of the email. I'll just say hey, and then go ahead and click on next. Send an email, send your transfer with a simple email, and we'll let you know when it's been downloaded. Or get a link, turn your files into a link and share it however you like. Let's go ahead and click on send an email. Let's say email to. Here you write the person that you want to send your files to, and then you go ahead and click on your email and write your email, and then go ahead and click on transfer. It's almost like instant. It happens in like a couple of seconds, and it's really easy to use and like self-explanatory and really intuitive. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Till next time, have a great day.